Well, I thought we could get a little bit of time in before the rain. I looked at the radar and I said, "Come on, Miracle, let's go." But I'm starting to hear the pack, pack, pack. And as soon as he realizes it, he will take off and go back to the house on his own. Won't you, Miracle? Yes, you will. But I thought we could have some time outside. Isn't that right, Miracle? And watch the birds. It's about 10 o'clock, and they'd said it was going to start raining around 7. So they don't always know what they're talking about. So much to smell, isn't there, Miracle? Yeah. The wind's already picking up. And you're watching it, aren't you, Miracle? I didn't get his harness on right. It's only got one leg in. But I don't think we're going to be staying long. We don't normally come out this early except for the summertime, but you get to have some outside time, don't you, baby? Yeah. When I showed him the harness, he went running to the door because he knows what the harness means. And if he didn't want to come out, I wouldn't have bought him. We would have stayed in. It's a good boy, aren't you, Miracle? Except for when you go after he goes. Oh, we hear a woodpecker. Anyway. Oh, I hear thunder. I'm going to go check the radar, Miracle. Thanks for watching, everyone.